by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. And this be what matter come. What be the matter where we come? You don't say this word where we day inside. If married then what? Man then woman day where they marry her. They not ready for any boy in face say this one for do house choice, this one for pay school fees, this one for do something. It be what? It be relationship be where they the both of you way you know go fit talk say this one go do this one go do that. But if you can't want a community inside for Africa here own, it be something where they make them say the man who pay where for provide money give the woman, make the woman who cook food give the what the kiddies in where them they house on. Some video be the circulate for social media, brother man, sister. It not be easy. The woman who hold the husband for the video inside where it is shipping husband, you know be easy. Where the kiddies need to dead there, them dead there when they spy, the fights in a way it go on between the what, the mommy and the puppy. It not be easy. Because search the matter inside now. It take like the woman no, the first in husband say make he give her what money. It take like it be something where the man need to do. Where you go touch say they go come, they go come, they go come. You dey go can, you know they come, you come out. You go come now the food need day, say make it chop. It chop now you start to talk what he will do. You will talk say you go no money no come, so money come I go give him. Where you say you be format now where you do and your husband you dey do what? He dey give him. Where you mean the woman the way brother man, sister, the way this woman beat the man, it not be easy.
Look at the I can't order me. You go Monsieur Reda.
It not be easy. Yeah, if they want a society inside, the society where we dey inside no. Instead of if your husband no get money, you dey hand for talk because this world where we dey inside no. You know be something where you do if you put for your mind inside say chin try. If you do what? If you ask money from your husband, you be woman to where you there. If you go feel where they support your what? Your husband no. Some women be there, the man no dey go, the man no dey go, the man leg then they go. All they do say they go chop then they go bed. Then they put all the responsibilities for the man in top. If the man no just follow, the man no get money, the man no do anything, say he go provide money need there, it be something the man no for what? For do. My nigga man me talk me say, them get woman be where them there, them be what? Them be lazy women where them dey. So if you man where you tell like they can't chassis that about topper. What if you do be say, you get your own house, if you buy all the cooking utensils, so that everything be out put up. If you don't make the woman bring you anything. You make the woman bring you something now. Where you need to relax when you no buy anything now. The woman know some issue be coming the woman in top. The woman no go do him and say he dey go. You go take all the cooking utensils. So maybe cry they want silver them cook some hot water server. You know go do what? You know go get. This is what my nigga no talk me. He said he experienced that thing before. He said go where some woman be the way the woman no. He come no. He bring in wardrobe. He bring in what? Everything there where they took they take cook food no. He bring out for the house inside no. He don't get the matter no. Where the woman no swat the thing or what go. If it's something where he dey wanna what? Wanna community inside. Where there's something to where he come inside and he be say the way that they fight for the kiddies in the like my front no. He not tell. The reason why he not tell he be say kiddies some people are then they spy things what very easy. Then when they grow up, they will talk say if you beat your wife or you beat your husband, it be normal thing because there be something where they observe, it be something where them now they spy say he did them or what, them life inside. So they will take the grow. So if they marry her, if them my wife do something, halfway them for what, they for talk and cool no, they will start to ship them what, them my wives or them what, them my husband no. It be something where you dey society inside. So this act there, you know good. Because if you go where you dey do what, it is spy man. You know be man where you dey spy what man. If you be the man who say you go provide food. But if the man you no get her, if you be woman where you get the money you somehow, if you go fit do something that support. So women be there, they don't know what, the other money some. Or some be your musica. Because they put for the mama inside say, if be the man now wait for do. So them all them go dead the house inside where them go home. Say the man go come. The man need to come to where the man no bring money to her. You go see the akasakasa where the woman need to go feed them money in some cook food. They make them all chop. Charlie, if it's something where you mean you blow my mind where I talk say nah. If it's something where before start then what? It was before solve all those issues where you do what? You go on. This be the matter where you what? You come where you bust my mind where I talk say nah. Me flamboyant, I know a tap just like that, then can spread certain things where they happen for social media. For come, then can't talk what? Something put what? Married people where them day where they're married no? Because if it's something where they go on. If they go on to where they break off marriages. Because this thing you go feel lead to divorce. This one you go feel lead say killing go come inside. If the man need to no get hurt, when you do, you might say to the fight back. Because you know say men there, we not get small, we not get big. Every man there in what? In capacity. But if man say if they fight to man pan there, you go feel do something. But this one the way the woman need beat the man. Right now the man there, we don't know what they happen. We don't know. So any update be come to her. Too much yet then me flamboyant can't talk, then can't show you all the updates in the way you do it. It come no. Right now and then talk say the man, then separate the man plus the woman where we don't know where the man what go there. Do it something where you can way I can't flow you. You go feel leave your comment. Anything be advice be anything be where they want talk, something where you dare your mind decide where they want share no. You go feel put down for the comment box inside. It be very what necessary. You go feel follow us on all on our social media platform. If you want too much GH, you do what you like, you share one of videos always inspired so that some bro to go do what go spread and take the advices, then something where they inside where go help them so that everything go what will go on give you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what work. Pow, pow, pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH chat. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo. We between am the great tempo. Bring. One man come when you hear Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.